One of the amazing things that DPS Telecom has is above average tech support. The tech support is probably one of the best. We work with many different industries or whatever, and tech support is something that's really going by the wayside. Most of the companies are, if they do provide tech support, are requiring a maintenance contract or whatever before they'll even talk with you. And sometimes when you're in a hurry, you don't have time to try to work through saying, well, let me find out if we've got the contract or if the contract is up to date or not. We just need to talk with somebody immediately in order to resolve the problem.